Connecting a VCR to a modern TV presents a fundamental challenge. VCRs output analog signals while modern TVs are designed for digital signals. This incompatibility means that without proper adapters, you cannot directly connect these devices. RCA cables are the standard connection method for VCRs. These cables use a color-coded system to transmit analog video and audio signals. The yellow cable carries the video signal, while the red and white cables carry the right and left audio channels respectively. Since most modern TVs lack RCA inputs, you will likely need an RCA to HDMI converter. This device transforms the analog signal into a digital format that modern TVs can accept. Some TVs still include analog video inputs. Look for circular ports on your TV that match the RCA cable colors. These are composite or component video inputs. Some TVs use a 3.5mm port for analog video input, which requires a special adapter cable like this one. Keep in mind that even with a converter, the picture quality will reflect the original VHS resolution. Converters enable connection, but cannot magically improve the low resolution of VHS tapes. Make sure all cables are securely connected and that you have selected the correct input source on your TV. This basic understanding will help you successfully connect your VCR to enjoy your VHS collection. First, connect the RCA cables from your VCR to the RCA to HDMI converter. The yellow cable carries video, while red and white carry audio. Next, connect the HDMI cable from the converter output to an HDMI input port on your TV. This carries both video and audio digitally. Power on the converter if it requires external power. Then select the correct HDMI input on your TV using the remote control. If your TV has a 3.5mm AV input instead of RCA ports, use a 3.5mm to composite adapter to connect your VCR directly. If you encounter problems, first ensure all cables are securely connected and you've selected the correct input source on your TV. Check your TV's audio settings to ensure sound plays through the AV ports. For mono audio VCRs, you may need a mono to stereo adapter. Remember that picture quality will be limited by the original VHS resolution. The converter cannot improve the source quality, only make it compatible with modern TVs.